BAM is the biggest construction company of the Netherlands, divided in the Netherlands in two big companies. One of them constructs the infrastructure and the other constructs houses, buildings, hospitals, etc.
For example, digital construction is a huge development in the construction world. Building it before you build it in a way that through digital processes, digital applications, we develop every project digitally.
The way we started with Mendix was a little bit combination of a few factors. We had some business-specific problems, but also we saw some trends in the market to go into low coding development.
In the Netherlands there's a big rollout of smart meters. The government decided that every household should have been presented with a smart meter by 2020. And then we faced a new kind of competitor, which was a software company. Instead of only making software, they offered the whole package, including the installation of the smart meters. At that time we decided to raise the bar. And we have written in our offer that we had a complete software package supporting the whole process end to end. By putting that software in our offer, we won the tender, and so we also beat our software competitor. It was a big contract that we won. We have to place more than 1 million smart meters in the Netherlands in just a little over 4 years' time.
One of the other projects I worked on is the application Max. The application is built for the environmental services of BAM. They used to have a little ad hoc process. There was no structured way how to do things.
It helps us to fill in a lot of forms. For instance, 5 years ago we had to fill in our client 10 times, even in a fieldwork form. Right now it's just you fill it in once and you click it, and it is in every document you produce. For that business case we estimated we would save 1 hour of an advisor on the project. And we do about 2,000 projects a year, so it would save us around 160,000 euros a year.
If I look at the time to market and the speed that we have now compared to the speed that we used to have, it's funny to see that sometimes our business partners are asking us to slow down because we go too fast.
Yeah, the business is really inspired by the way we are working. We're interested in the way we do things because it's really different from what they're used to. Our project success is measured in different ways. For me personally, the first thing is our customer happy? That's of course the goal of our department, is to make our end customer, make them happy and keep them happy.